Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is introduce you all to my Daycare Business Plan template. Specifically what I'm going to do for this video is first and foremost give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're then going to dive into the Word document portion of my Daycare Business Plan template. I'll show you the contents included, the industry research done, the whole kit and caboodle. And if you like it, at the end of the video, I'll give you all a link to go ahead and purchase my Daycare Business Plan template. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get this party started. And as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement, the growth opportunities and such of writing your own daycare business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to write your business plan for you. Also, I am a published author on Amazon.com. Of course, my books published are based or focused on business plan writing, so check me out there. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So my love of academia is aligned with my love of business plan writing and doing financial modeling. And with that said, also, if you do need help with your financial projections, your business plan's all good to go, but those pesky numbers giving you problems, be delighted to do that for you. All right, enough about me. Let's talk about your Daycare Business Plan template, or my Daycare Business Plan template. That could be yours if you like. All right, so when you do purchase the Daycare Business Plan template, you'll have a document that's going to have you'll have a file that's going to have two documents. You'll have your Word document, which is this right here. And then you have the financial model. Say hi, financial model. It's the financial model right there. And so in the separate tutorial, I'll go over the financial model, show you how simple it is to use. All right, but when you open the Word document, you're going to be greeted with a title page. On this title page, you can go ahead and put your company logo or the name of your company, however you see fit. Next is going to be the table of contents. Once you add a little bit of meat to the bone, you fluff it up a little bit, add your content. Inevitably, when you do that, you're going to have more pages in the business plan. When you do have more pages, more titles, all you're going to do is just come over here to this little Smart Art table of contents. You're going to click on Update Table, Update Entire Table, click OK, and then all that information will update accordingly. Next is going to be your executive summary. In the executive summary section, you do have areas to fill out. Anywhere in the yellow and in parentheses, I do recommend you change. Everything else, take a look at, read through, make sure it fits your needs. If not, make the changes as needed. This is a customizable Word document. So in the executive summary, it's got a daycare summary up here. Starts you off with a target market, financial highlights, and then a funding request. Once you update your information in the Excel financial model, you're going to want to then go over to your projections. And these top three numbers right here are going to be the numbers that you're going to be interested in using to update your business plan. So where you can see this right here, where we have the projected revenues of $663,000, that is aligned with annual revenues on your projection tab. And we got expense cost of $489,000. That's aligned with your cost, $489,000. And then your after-tax net profit, $133,000. That is aligned with your net profits over here of $133,000. Your funding request: how much money do you need to get your business up off the ground or for an expansion? You'll put that information right there. Next is going to be your company description right here. Again, your company description for your daycare summary. And then I've got some information here, your service description. So I've taken some time and just given you all a head start with identifying some typical services that are provided by daycares: toddler care, preschool care, after school care. Use the information if you like or update it as you see fit. Next is going to be your competitive advantage. And we've got a primary target market. Who is your primary target market? Where they're located. Pricing strategy, hours of operation. You'll have an area right here where you can go ahead and put in your location information. And then I do give you all a snippet of a strategic plan. And this, so from, once you introduce the reader of the document to your business plan, they'll have an idea of where your business will be going in the next 3 months, 6 months, and year. Next section is your industry analysis. I did a little bit of research for your daycare industry. Got a nice paragraph right here, and then some highlights in a smart art chart down here. Next section is your SWOT analysis section, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and your threats. And if you want to update this information, all you do is click on your Smart Art. And then once you click on the Smart Art, this little tab right here comes up. If it doesn't, then there's a little arrow right here. You can click on that arrow, and then you can make your changes here accordingly. Next section is your organizational structure. We've got your legal structure information here. Then we've got your job responsibilities here. Just again, give you a nice little kickstart for the job responsibilities. Keep that information if you like it, or get rid of it if you don't. Smart Art is just supporting visually what your job responsibilities are in your job description section. So this is just a visual support for that section right there. Next is your marketing strategies or your marketing plan, and I do give you some components of a traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing. So again, make some adjustments to that as you see fit, but you got a great starting point there. The second to last segment is going to be your funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? You'll change it right here. And what are the terms of your loan? It's going to be 8 years, 10 years, 12 years, 15 years, 20 years, whatever it's going to be. Make sure you put a range here. And the interest rates you're expecting, put that information here. And finally, it's going to be your pro forma financial projections. It does come with 12-month pro forma financial projections, broken up monthly as well as quarterly. And then you also have your income statement with the next 5 years annually projected. So for the profit and loss statement, month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Then we've got month 4 through 6, quarter 2. Month 7 through 9, quarter 3. Month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And we've got our pro forma income statement annually for the next 5 years. Now, once you do update your information in your financial projections, you'll want to go to the aligned financial projection. You want to go to the aligned financial projection, and you're going to want to update the business plan. So what you'll do is for example, if you want to update your income statement, you'll go ahead and highlight it, copy it. You'll go over to the Word document. Then you'll highlight it over here, delete it, and then hit Control V, and then the pro forma income statement will update. And then once you make all your changes into the financial projection, Excel financial model, then you'll do that for your 12-month profit and loss as well. All right, so hopefully that information is helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. So in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my Daycare business plan template, the link right here is where you can go ahead and purchase it. And my business plan template does come with tutorials. So if you go to this link right here, I do have some tutorials online that'll help you better customize your business plan. And you can view those tutorials before or after you purchase, completely up to you. They're free. And then if you don't want to mess around with your tutorials and you don't want to mess around with templates, you just want that darn Daycare business plan written for you, I do custom business plans, and all you have to do is just go to this link right here. All right, so in summary, if you are interested in the Daycare business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document, which we just covered, as well as the Excel financial model. And I'm going to be doing a video on that, a tutorial on that, just to show you how to use it. However, there are some restrictions, limitations to my business plan template. First and foremost, it is not compatible with Google Docs or Apple products. It is a Microsoft Word document, and it also is an Excel file. So you do need to have Word and Excel in order to make changes. If you have questions before you purchase the template, the Daycare template, I'd be delighted to have a conversation with you. Just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to answer any questions you have before you buy the template. After you buy the template, if you do have questions, I will refer you to my tutorials. Make sure you take a look at the tutorials. Make sure they're easy to use, understandable before you make the purchase. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.